Menteri Rangba Kejala Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma, bad Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma, haka arpu kendai terik uleber hajar arpu kle soy ya kasas kular bani penbet uput usam. Bad kini kejingnya soy ya kini kasas kular gelalong hakamat jong Menteri Korbari ke Sarkar Preng Amit Shah haka Rangba Delhi. Rengkat kejingnya don lang kihe jong ketenat Home Affairs. Amit Shah ulapan pau bagi jingnya soy kini kasas kular kan penkut cisendan ya kejing bam don uput usam ubati kena kebelas ateng mentala palat san posnem. Kejala Assam dan Meghalaya kila menjur ban penbet uput usam jangkin riu teli Jaka hagawat ke Banengkong. Bad adin kani ans penbet saya kin riu teli Jaka ke berana pedang kajing ke Japut hagawat ke Baar. Kijaka ke bagi Sarkar Assam dan Meghalaya kin penbet uput usam hagawat ke Banengkong ki kentop ya Tara Bari ke badan Yasau point riu kendai square kilometer. Kagizang Reserve Forest keberan Katlai Point Sunlai Square Kilometer, Kahahim keberan Lai Point Sun Iway Square Kilometer, Kabokla Para keberan Iway Point Sun Nyo Square Kilometer, Khanapara Pilangkata keberan R Point R Kendai Square Kilometer, Bad Karata Cera keberan Katway Point R North Square Kilometer. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagi jingnya soy kini kesas kular kadai ke belah pensyong nongrem ya kejingnya soy ya ke Memorandum of Understanding ke bagi Sarkar Assam dan Meghalaya kili soy haka arp kendai trip kula lengkot mentang kesenam arajar arpuar. Baru ulong bagi ni ki art ligi Sarkar kini leru ban syemkia ban penbet sayo purusam jong ki henriu tadi jaga ke bangsa hakawat ke Baar.
We have signed the agreement between Assam and Meghalaya in the presence of the Honorable Home Minister, and it's a historic day for the people of Meghalaya and Assam both, and for the Northeast region as a whole, because a 50-year-long dispute which has been there and the areas of differences which have been there, we have taken a major step towards finding a permanent solution to those problems. And we have signed today, agreed on 6 locations based on the MOU that was signed between Assam and Meghalaya on the 29th of January. And we will continue to work to finding solutions to the next 6 locations in the areas of differences that are there. At this point in time, I would like to thank our Honorable Home Minister for his guidance and for his leadership. It was on his direction that both the state governments came together and took this matter up in a very serious manner. And so I thank him. I thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam for all the work that has been done from Assam government side. I also would like to thank all the regional committee members who have played a very important role in making this entire thing possible, and all the officials who have worked very hard to come to this conclusion. I also would like to thank all the regional committee members who have played a very important role in making this entire thing possible, and all the officials who have worked very hard to come to this conclusion. And this would not have been possible without the hard work that had been put up by the committee members of both the states as well as the officials from both the states. So it's indeed a very historic day, and this is the best solution, as I said, that we have come up with. And we're hopeful that we'll be able to further work on the rest of the 6 areas of differences and come to a solution on those areas also in a very limited time. We will try to do our best to find a solution the fastest.